If you're experiencing issues with Shopify theme customization not saving, try these troubleshooting steps. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes cache data can prevent changes from being saved. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then try again. Check for browser compatibility. Ensure you're using an updated browser. If issues persist, try using a different browser or incognito mode to rule out extensions causing interference. Save changes properly. When customizing your theme, always click Save after making changes. Sometimes, users forget to save, resulting in changes not being applied. Disable apps and scripts. Third-party apps or custom scripts might conflict with the theme editor. Try disabling apps temporarily, or revert any recent code changes to see if the issue resolves. Check theme limits. If you've made extensive customizations or added a lot of large files, your theme might have reached its file size or customization limits. Consider reducing the number of customizations or optimizing images. Update Shopify and theme. Ensure running the latest version of Shopify and your theme. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Contact Shopify support. If none of the above steps work, contact Shopify support for further assistance.